Hoping to curb the opioid epidemic impacting Oklahoma. A new law goes into effect today which limits the amount of opioids that a doctor can prescribe.
T-Works View's Ashley Wheeler breaks down how it works and how doctors feel about the changes affecting them and their patients. Ashley.
Well, with this new law, doctors are now only allowed to initially prescribe a week's worth of opioid drugs at the lowest dose. And before they prescribe another 7 days, they have to meet with their patient to make sure they're not at risk for abuse or addiction. Now, if more is needed, further pain management options need to be discussed. Additionally, more safeguards are in place for patients who suffer from chronic pain. Both the patient and doctor will enter into a pain management agreement to explain the risks and review the treatment plan at a minimum of every 3 months.
The initial legislation was designed to try to avoid that initial huge exposure to the opioids. So the legislation was designed to put a very expected evolution of how much you could give somebody on an initial prescription and within the first 30 days ultimately.
The law also mandates that doctors receive an extra hour of continuing education in pain management or in opioid abuse and addiction before renewing their license.